What's up, guys? It's Ricardo, junkguysdfw.net, here in the great city of Dallas, Texas. We just left the headquarters heading over to do a satellite removal, but you know what question I get asked a lot is how we price things and how you should price things as a new junk removal owner. Here are 3 key factors in pricing. Now, I did want to make notes while I did this video because I wanted to get this right. The 3 main factors in pricing a job should be, first of all, the highest one, which would probably be the most expensive one you have, and that is your employee, the labor, the amount of work, and how much you're going to have to pay this guy. Is this going to be a heavy job? Are you going to be here a long time? And you know, whenever I'm doing a hot tub, I'm always thinking, or doing a big job. So, for instance, in a few weeks, we're doing a whole labor-intensive office building. How long are my employees going to be in this building? What are the key steps to actually get all the office chairs and office desks out of this room and into the trailer? How long is it going to take, and what is going to be my expense? Is it going to be, what, a couple of $100s, or is it going to be a couple of $1,000s? And that's going to make a big old difference in how you price any job, even if it's a small job. For instance, let's say you go to a house and you're doing a small garage clean out, and you look at it and you go, oh wow, this is going to take us 1 hour, or this is going to take us 2 hours, or maybe it will take us 15 minutes. How do I price it? Is it big items? Is it small items? So always when you're going to price something, think of this. How much money am I going to spend on my employees? My labor cost, my labor expense, how much it's going to be. All right, that's the first thing, guys. Let's get to the second one. And the second one is really, really important. Now, I made these 3 key factors by myself. I did not copy anybody else's video. I just want to say that. I thought of this on the top of my head, right? All right, cool. Number 2, how much room is it going to take of your trailer? The volume. Is it going to fill up my whole trailer? Or is it only going to fill up half of my trailer? Or maybe it'll just fill up a third of my trailer. Because listen, when I'm pricing things out, I have to do that. I have to always be considering and thinking in my mind, how much room is it going to really take up my trailer? Okay, guys, for instance, I already made the idea that I'm going to do the office building in a few weeks. In my head, I have calculated how many trailers it's going to take. It will take 3.5 to 4 trailers entirely to do the whole office building. So in my head, I'm making this algorithm of equations and adding and subtracting how much it's going to cost me to do that job. So what am I going to price it at? So it's really important. Always consider how much room it's going to take up your trailer, the volume in your trailer. And number 3, which is probably the one I always consider is really important in this thing, is the weight. Is this going to weigh a lot on my trailer? And listen, the reason I bring this up is because I'm always telling people about buying a landscape trailer, buying a box truck, buying an MPR, buying a dump trailer, or buying a dumpster trailer with the dumpsters actually come down. I always tell people, wait, what are you pulling? Is it going to be heavy or is it going to be light? Because I'm going to tell you why. Whenever I'm pricing out a big job, for instance, this office building that we're doing in a couple of weeks, I'm thinking, how much is each desk weighing? How much is each cubicle weighing? Is it going to weigh 2 tons or is it going to weigh 1 ton? Every trailer that leaves out of the property, is it going to be a ton? Or is it going to be 2 tons? What are going to be my final expenses at the landfill when I get to the landfill? It's very, very important. So whenever you're considering doing a big job, consider the weight on your trailer and your truck. Because why? That's what ruins trucks. The drivetrain, the transmission, the trailer tires. Put all this weight on trailer tires on a hot, hot Texas summer day. Trust me, it will make your tires last a shorter lifespan. Okay, guys, so let's go over the 3 key factors. Like I said, the factors that I made up right off the top of my head. I did not copy anyone's video, right, Junkship?
Yes, sir.
All right, cool. The first one, the expense of an employee. The employee expense, your labor cost. Number 2, the room it takes of your trailer. How much room and how much volume is it going to take of my trailer? And number 3, the important key factor, is weight. How heavy is it? These 3 key factors in my formula of how to get your key pricing exact way should always be used whenever you're pricing a job. All right, guys, so I hope that this helps any newcomer, any new business owner who's getting into the junk removal business. I hope this helps you out. And don't forget, your one stop to how to start a junk removal business is right here with junkguysdfw.net. Don't forget, guys, if you like these videos, subscribe over there to the right side. On the left side, check out my other videos. Oh, and by the way, fuck everybody else. Bye-bye, guys.